If you're here, it's probable your plunger isn't managing to unblock the blocked toilet. Don't worry, it's not an uncommon issue, and 90% of all toilet clogs can be solved with a standard toilet plunger. A typical plunger works by creating an air seal over the drain hole. The rubber bell-shaped head pushes water forcefully down to clear any obstruction. If the plunger fails to remedy the issue, it could be due to a range of causes. Perhaps there's more than just excessive toilet paper causing trouble, or your vent stack may need some attention as its function is crucial for smooth flow within pipes. When these vents get blocked, say by bird nests, they cause slow draining toilets which plungers might fail to fix. Sometimes it's more than just a standard blockage. In my years as a plumber, I've found that hard objects like toys or cotton balls can become lodged in tricky places where even coat hangers cannot reach, making plungers ineffective. Toilet paper may seem harmless, but overuse of it can cause stubborn clogs in your drain pipes. It's because too much toilet paper doesn't break down quickly, leading to blockages that are hard to remove. A common reason for a clogged toilet includes kids flushing toys or other foreign objects blocking the drainage pipe. These materials don't dissolve like tissue does, causing an obstruction that might require professional intervention. You might be surprised, but tree roots are another big factor behind many clogged toilets. They grow into sewer lines searching for a water source and form thick nets inside the pipes, resulting in severe blockages over time. Last but not least, let's talk about plumbing vents. They allow sewer gases to escape from your home while letting fresh air into the plumbing system, which helps keep the water level steady within P-traps, the U-shaped pipe under sinks. If these vents get blocked by leaves or bird nests, it can lead to poor flushing and frequent toilet clogs. So keep an eye on these vents as part of your regular home maintenance routine. When your plunger isn't working on a clogged toilet, don't despair. There are other tricks you can try before needing professional help. One surprising method involves items already in your kitchen, baking soda and vinegar. These two common ingredients can create a fizzing action that helps break up stubborn clogs. If you're out of baking soda or want another solution, hot water mixed with liquid dish soap works wonders too. This combo acts like a chemical drain cleaner, but without the harmful toxins often found in commercial products. Sometimes even after using all at-home methods like plungers or dish soap heat treatment, that pesky toilet still won't unclog. It may be tempting to keep trying DIY solutions, but prolonged efforts could potentially damage pipes and cause bigger problems down the line. In cases where common plumbing tricks fail, calling upon an experienced plumber becomes necessary to safeguard against potential damages and expensive repairs in the future. When a toilet clog refuses to budge, it's time to let the professionals handle it. Professional plumbers have dealt with such situations countless times and are well equipped with tools like a plumbing snake or drain cleaners that can help clear stubborn clogs. You might feel embarrassed about calling someone over for a blocked toilet, but remember, these pros have seen worse. Plus, they've got all the right gear. They don't just come in guns blazing though. Professional plumbers first analyze what's causing the blockage. Is it an overload of paper towels? Maybe cotton balls gone rogue? A pro will then use their experience and expertise to fix your issue swiftly without leaving any mess behind, because nobody wants dirty water spilling out. So whether they need to add hot water to soften up a clump or utilize chemical drain cleaner to power through tough obstructions, trust them to do what's best for your situation. When looking for a reliable plumber, it's important to find someone who is experienced and trustworthy. Obtain an estimate from the plumber for a detailed overview of what services they will provide and how much it will cost. Take a peek at reviews and testimonials from past customers. It's an excellent way to gauge the quality of their service. Don't be scared to solicit info. It may furnish you with an advantageous understanding. To prevent future clogs, a bit of caution and regular maintenance can go a long way. Let's look at how the role of water softening systems and mindful toilet paper use can help. A water softening system helps break down waste more efficiently by altering hard water characteristics. Hard water often leads to stubborn buildups that may result in clogging your toilets. By installing a good quality water softener, you are taking an important step towards preventing these frustrating blockages. In many cases, excessive toilet paper use is the culprit behind pesky clogged toilets. So remember, less is indeed more. A simple change like reducing the amount of tissue used per flush can make all the difference between smooth flushing and frequent plumber visits. Cotton balls, nope. Paper towels, don't even think about it. Lots of toilet paper, try cutting back. By being careful with what goes into your toilet, stick to human waste and minimal amounts of TP, you'll drastically reduce your chances for troublesome backups. Remember, keeping those future clogs at bay doesn't require rocket science, but rather some wise choices combined with regular care. When the plunger isn't working on a clogged toilet, remember there's no need to panic. You've learned that common culprits behind such stubborn clogs include excessive use of toilet paper and foreign objects. But now you know other ways out. The power of baking soda vinegar mixtures or hot water with dish soap can help clear those obstinate blocks in your drain pipes. If all else fails, don't hesitate to call in professional plumbers. They have experience dealing with even the most persistent issues. If you have any questions or need an estimate on your plumbing, give Anthem a call today. 951-389-5151 for Inland Empire and 760-895-2621 for the Coachella Valley.